Hey, this is Ethan over here at Easy Auto Spa in Athens. Back at it again with another really cool car. This is a 1970 Chevelle Super Sport. It's got a 6.6 liter, 400 big block engine in it. This is a bad boy. It is sharp, and this is probably one of your dad's favorite vehicles. Ask him about it. I'm sure he remembers them back in the past, but this customer came in and it looked really good outside. The paint did have some swirling and some scratches in it that we went through, and so to get rid of that, we did a paint correction. We did a two-step paint correction where we did a full buff and a full polish all over the vehicle. So all the painted surfaces got buffed and polished, and the chrome surfaces as well. We polished all those up to give it that nice shine. And to lock it in, we are putting our Crystal Serum Ultra 3G Technic, the ceramic coating, our 9-year ceramic, putting that on top of the paint. So giving it a really nice shine, locking all that in, protecting it. And one extra thing we're doing on this is adding a layer of what's called EXO coating. So it is a EXO V5 that is offered through G-Technic. And what that does, it gives it even an extra layer of gloss. It's the glossiest package you can get for ceramic coating through G-Technic. And it also is a lot more hydrophobic layer, so it lets the water run off a lot easier. So it keeps it from getting water spots, and just gives it that extra protection that's there. So, but yeah, it's a really cool car. If you or anybody that you know has a really cool car like this, classic car, or some custom paint jobs like this that you want to protect with our ceramic coatings, definitely feel free to stop by any of our stores. We'd love to answer any questions you have. Even if you're not local, if you just want to call and ask us a question about what ceramic does or what it helps, we'd love to answer that for you. Feel free to give us a call, either of our stores. We'd love to help you out.